Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can read input register data of Modbus serial, RTU or RS485 device in the LabVIEW, then after display the data on the LabVIEW GUI. Okay, now in this video instead of input register data we are going to read the coil status of our Modbus serial device in the LabVIEW, and then we will display the coil status on the LabVIEW GUI. So here is our LabVIEW GUI. And here is our Modbus serial simulated device using this OpenModSim software. Now you can see I have selected the Modbus point type coil status, and you can see the first 4 coils are auto simulating by its own. Okay, and you can see the serial device is running on the COM1 with 9600 baud rate, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. And COM1 and COM2 is internally connected. So whatever data is available on the COM1, the same data will be available on the COM2. So that's why we can use COM2 in our LabVIEW. Now, if you want to read the coil status of your Modbus serial device, then what you have to do is you have to select the COM port. You have to select the unit ID. So you can see unit ID is 1. The parity is none. Baud rate is 9600. Starting address is 0. And the count, suppose if we want to read only 4 count. Okay, then I have selected 4 and I can run it. You can see the first 4 coil it will read. If I want to read another 2 coil, then I can stop and I can select 6 and I can simulate other 2 coils as well. Okay, we are going to toggle it, and again for last coil we will toggle it on every 2 seconds. Okay, and again I can start, and you can see it is reading the coil status in the LabVIEW and it is displaying the coil status on the LabVIEW GUI. So this is how you can use LabVIEW to connect with any of your Modbus serial, RTU or RS485 device to read the coil status of that device. It can be any device on the field. Okay, you can use LabVIEW to connect with those devices, and if you have multiple devices, then also you can use LabVIEW to connect with multiple devices. You can hard code everything and you can continuously read those data from your field devices. You can also use this project along with input register and holding register. So in one project only it will read input register data, holding register data, coil status, and discrete input status. Okay, so everything is possible with the LabVIEW, and this is just a demo that how you can read the data of your Modbus serial device in the LabVIEW. So if you have any question or any concern regarding this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. And if you want to buy this LabVIEW project, then the link will be available in the description of this video. Also, I'll provide the link of this OpenModSim software, which is free and open source, so you can download and simulate your Modbus device. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So let's meet in the next video, and in the next video, instead of coil status, we are going to simulate the input status in the OpenModSim software, and we are going to read the input status in the LabVIEW GUI. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.